Hi, my name is Xinran Li. Here is my video presentation for the ECE6303 Homework 3, Question 1. Here is the question, and I write it on my paper. And now let's write the answer. First, find the B so that the probability of x equals k represents a probability mass function. Question A. We know the probability of x equals k equals b times k times p to the power of k minus 1. And we know that this equals to the derivative of p is p to the power of k. And we want to let the probability represent a probability mass function. So the sigma x k from 1 to the infinity, the probability equals 1. So we know that the sigma k from 1 to the infinity b times k times p equals and we can put the sigma into here. So this equals to and we can calculate this. So this equals to and we know the p is from this. So we can know that when k limited to the infinity, this equals to 0. So the answer is and we can calculate this. This equals to, and we know that the answer equals to 1, so we can calculate the b. And we can know the probability x equals k equals, and question B. We want to find the expected of x. So ex equals to the sigma k from 1 to infinity we can calculate it as we also want to use the derivative like this, so we can know that the answer equals to and this is still hard to calculate, so we use a derivative again. So the answer equals to, we put a p in front of it, so the answer is we can say that this is equals to here. So we can know that this answer equals to and to calculate this, it's 1 minus p to the power of 2. over the 1 minus p to the power of 4, and this we can know the power of 2 and the power of 1. So the answer equals to 1 plus p over 1 minus p. And question C. This is same as question B, so we also use the expected. We also use many times of derivative. The answer is we also use and for the question B, we use 2 times of derivative, and for the question C, we will use 3 times. So the answer is the first time it equals here, and we will use it again. And we will use it again. And we calculated this in the before, so we can know that the answer equals to we can calculate this as 1 plus 2p times multiply 1 plus 1 minus p to the power 3. 1 minus p to the power of 2 times minus 1 times p. This is 3. And we can calculate this as is equals to and the question D, we just use this answer is and we know that the answer equals to p to the power of 2 plus 4p plus 1 over 1 minus p to the power of 2 minus the p to the power of 2 plus 2p plus 1 over 1 minus p to the power of 2, and this answer equals to 2p over 1 minus p to the power of 2. And the question number 5, it tells us that the p equals 1 over 3, so we know that the probability of k equals k equals and we want to know the probability, and we know the condition probability equals to and we know this probability is we need to divide the condition and know it, so we just need to calculate this, and we know the probability is equals to here, so we calculate that this approximately equals to 0.538, so we know this probability equals to when the k equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, it has the answer, and when otherwise the answer is 0. So when k equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, the answer is so this is all the answer of question 1. Thank you very much.